Valerie and I would like to take this opportunity to wish all my subscribers and all my friends of the channel a very Merry Christmas. Valerie and I would like to take this opportunity to wish all my subscribers and all my friends of the channel a very Merry Christmas and a very prosperous New Year. As you know, this Christmas this year is going to be quite different, and circumstances this year has made 2020 probably the most unique year in the existence of our planet. A lot of us won't be able to spend time with family and friends. We'll just be able to probably spend time with our spouses or immediate family, and that's still okay. You're still spending time with family. So if you're able to connect via Zoom or Skype or some other way, please make sure you do so and let your loved ones know that you love them. A phone call would also do as well, and a text, but nothing substitutes an in-person visit. But you know, with everything going on with COVID-19, that may not be possible this year, and please make sure you follow your local rules and regulations with everything that's going on there. This was a great year for drones. It really was, in spite of, 2020 itself, which, we're just going to kind of push that to the side here. Had a lot going on this year as far as drones are concerned. And for me, it really kind of started out with this guy, the Mavic Air. It's just Mavic Air 2. This guy just is every bit as the drone that his big brother is. I think the only thing that I found for me with this personally is the low light capabilities of this. And then OcuSync 2.0 works with a smart controller. The video from here is just off the charts. It's incredible. The runtime on here is great. I mean, there's just nothing you can't like about it. It does well in the wind. It really handles itself very well. And the price on this is insanely incredible. It's $7.99 without the Fly More combo. But yeah, this has been nothing short of an incredible drone. I've enjoyed it. I enjoy being able to use it with a smart controller. That's just something that's so wonderful. I just feel really, really, really like DJI hit a home run. And when don't they hit a home run? Now, one of the other drones that came this year for me, it wasn't a DJI drone. It was this guy, the Fimi X8 Se 2020. And had to wait a while for it. Canceled my order with Banggood, and then I reordered it from the other warehouse, and it got here a whole lot sooner. Well, it seemed my first unit had a problem. Problem wasn't the horizon tilt, the problem was loss of signal. So I sent logs to Fimi, I sent them emails, filled out a form, and lo and behold, they sent me a replacement unit, which is this, a brand new replacement unit. Well, unfortunately, it has the same problem. Horizon tilt, for the most part, is gone from this, but that transmission signal issue is still prevalent. No matter what altitude I am, whether I'm at 100 or 400 feet, it's still there. It's still out at that part of the lake. If it wasn't for that, this is a drone that I would seriously ask you to consider for at the price point. It's right around $429 right now out on Banggood. It's very stable in the wind. The video on it is very high quality. You have HDR. You can do H.265 with this, which for your video buffs, it takes quite a bit of processing power, but you really have a lot of control over this. So, all in all, this is a good drone. It's just something, with that video transmission signal, you just can't, it's a real thorn, and Fimi really kind of needs to address that in the next iteration of this. So stay tuned for that. This is a work in progress, and I think Fimi, they've improved upon the 2018, and I think they'll improve upon this. And then, lo and behold, at the end of the year, it really kind of came as a surprise, and then it hit us. The Mini 2 came, and wow, OcuSync 2.0, 4K, over 30-minute runtime, less than 249 grams. it's just incredible. You know, the wind resistance is probably up to 23 miles an hour now, which is a big improvement over the original Mini. So all in all, you know, we've had quite a great year. We're gonna still be flying a lot more than Mini. We did have some great guests on in 2020. We had Kelly Shores on a couple of times, had Rick Smith, had Billy Kyle, had Ken Dunno on. Of course, we saw Marcus and Ron quite a bit on the channel as well. Also had Brendan Schulman from DJI talking about DJI's data privacy policy and also what's going on with remote ID. And I'm very hopeful of getting Brendan on again shortly after the new year starts, because the FAA's made some final decisions regarding that. So I thought that would be some great information to be able to pass on to everybody. What's coming up in 2021? Well, the sky's the limit. We got a lot going on in 2021. Of course, you know, we're still under restrictions and so forth, so CES is going to be virtual this year, so and it still costs money. Don't ask me why, okay? I'm just I don't understand that. But CES is still going on, and we're probably going to get the Mavic 3, and that's probably not going to happen until later this year, as I've cautioned people, probably not till August or so. But DJI is looking to come out with their DJI FPV, which will be very interesting, and they're also looking to come out with an Action Tube. They're now used to be called the Osmo Action. So there's some things that DJI has in the works as well too. So we got a lot to look forward to and a lot coming up. And I know also we'll want to be remiss. Autel, you know, had their the Autel Evo2 came out with some incredible features on it, with, you know, the 8K, the 6K, just some absolutely stunning app video. It does require a pretty beefy processor on your PC to do it, and our good friend Ron Braun has one, so I'm anxious to see how that's going to turn out for him. So we got a lot to look forward to in 2021, and I wish everyone has a great Christmas, a great holiday, a great rest of the year, and then let's start off 2021 on the right foot. Let's make sure that we, you know, support other channels. That's important to everybody. You know, support Ron's channel, support Marcus's channel. Everybody who's in the chat, support each other. Comment on their videos, like their videos. It makes a difference, and it makes a difference as we stick together as a community, because when we're together as a community, there's a lot that we can do. So again, Valerie and I wish everyone a very Merry Christmas, a very prosperous and happy New Year, and we always wish everyone a great day to fly. Take care, everybody.